mean it. Every show is a victory, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really mean it, that you're out there sharing your germs with each other in a loving way, you know? This song is called Gonna Live. Here we go. Enough of this world, I wanna be free. No, I'm not lying, what does that mean? Enough of this day, I wanna just sleep. Like the bullets all flying in the back of my dreams. Enough of this high, enough of this spree. I wanna go down where the beat goes deep. In the back of my mind, see a hawker face me. Man, you're gonna die, nah, I'm gonna live. You see, I thought I'd say that. No quiero salir corriendo, quiero I'm one of them ghosts that pass on the street. Do I recognize you? You recognize me? In passing, ghost line before COVID. I wonder who shares the same secret. And some of them nod, some of them wink, and some of them stay somewhere distant. One showed me their face to a bare skeleton. Man, you're gonna die, now I'm gonna live. And see, I thought I said that. No quiero salir volando, morir pero en luchar la vida será mejor. Si ya todo se cae, no quiero salir volando, morir pero en luchar la vida será mejor. On the rooftops at dusk, can you hear them sing? While the empty streets below echo with resonance for the residents. Ain't that worth something before it starts again in the city? Where the true hearts beat, they say. Fine wine, you taste too gritty. You never been safe or clean or pretty. Your beauty don't lie, your beauty don't fake. It makes a man tremble, it makes a man shake. It shakes up my ground and stirs up my fear. I won't turn my back or pretend I'm not here. I'm filled up with emptiness, what's left to give? Man, you're gonna die now.